Welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to truncate a string in JavaScript. We learn how to shorten a string to a specific length and append an ellipsis when necessary. Let's get started. The goal is to check whether a string's length exceeds the specified limit. If it does, you truncate it and add the ellipsis. If it is within the limit, you return it unchanged. This function checks if the string is longer than the num. If so, slices it down to the limit, adjusting for the ellipsis when needed. Otherwise, it returns the string as is. We start by checking if the string's length exceeds num. If it does, we slice it and append the ellipsis. If not, we return it as is. In the first example, boomerang is truncated to boom. In the second case, hello remains unchanged. The third example shows how very short limits work. String truncation is commonly used in user interfaces to display text snippets, keep messages readable, or shorten file names without losing important content. In summary, this function is a useful way to handle text truncation in various real-world scenarios. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.